Okay, if I want to count how many rows are there in this data frame, so I can use a data frame function called count. So DataFrame dot count, and just leave it, and you can see you get a count of the rows. So you have around 65,499 rows. Okay, so if you want to count the number of columns, so we need to say df DataFrame dot columns, and if you run, you can see you get all the column names, but you want the length of this column, like how many columns do I have. So you need to enclose that and put in a len function. So length of this, so it will give you all the column length. So you can find out DataFrame.count, you can find out the rows, and you can find out the column by this way. So you can see we have 8 columns here. I mean here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we have changed that, so we got 8 here. Okay, so it is DataFrame.count length df dot columns.